Hey everyone, welcome to How to Solution, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS4 or PS5. So the first thing you want to do is log into Roblox through another of your device, and then you see it says settings, so you click on this and then you click on settings one more time. After that, what you want to do, at the bottom it says your privacy choices, so you want to click on this one, and then what you want to do is click on the second option, security, right over here, and then you need to go to the complete bottom and click on log out of all other sessions. This would also log you out of your PS4 or PS5 and then log in again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, make sure your console software is updated, your Roblox is also updated, and then if it still doesn't work, try reinstalling Roblox, like uninstall it completely, head over to the PlayStation Store, download it again, and that should work. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.